Welcome to EDITION Residences Edgewater, Miami's first private edition branded homes where luxury design and waterfront living unite in perfect harmony. I'm Jennifer Nicole Lee of The Best VIP Real Estate, and I'm thrilled to show you this masterpiece redefining modern elegance in the heart of the Magic City. Come with me on a VIP tour. As you can see at EDITION Residences Edgewater, every detail embodies refined living and timeless sophistication. For your private tour and more information, connect with me today. And remember, live in luxury.